soul stands firm in perfect peace.
Mother's Day, Mama. The whole world. I cook for you. I give you food for you. I buy food for you. I do everything for you. Love you, Mama. I miss you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Take care always and God bless. I love you so much.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama!
With big heart, I just want to say that thank you so much that you've done to us with Kuya J.E., Ate Janine, Ani, and Kuya J.
Maraming salamat mo sa lahat ng mga suporta, pagtuturo at pagmamahal sa amin. Maraming salamat. Higit sa lahat sa Diyos na bigyan kami ng mabuti at mabait na ina at matapang na ina. Maraming salamat mo sa lahat ng mga pagtuturo mo sa amin. Lagi namin ito tatandaan at lagi namin ito mapanghawakan na. Maraming salamat mo, Lutem. Lutem Ruku, we love you so much. Maging kay Ate Janine na naging magulang na rin sa amin. Maraming salamat din, Ate. Happy Mother's Day sa iyo. At mahal na mahal ka namin, Ate. Maraming salamat. Maging kay Mamo. Happy Mother's Day, Mamo. God bless. Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you, Mom, for everything. You're the best mother. I know that I am your princess and we are your flower. We love you.
Merci maman pour tout le même quand tu as été là pour nous. Merci maman pour tout, tu restes toujours dans mon cœur.
Thank you, Mom. You're the best. Happy Mother's Day. Bisous, bisous.
Happy Mother's Day po, Mami. For having a star mom who's very hardworking and caring to us. Because even though you're so far away, you can still feel your hard works and your care to us.
Take care po always. Hope to see you soon again po. We love you and we miss you po. God bless you po.
Hi, Inang Dungo. Happy Mother's Day. Alagaan mo lang palagi yung sarili mo dyan. Always be happy and we miss you guys so much. Love you. Mwah. Mother's Day. Mama. Love you.
God bless you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Diana. Ingat ka lagi. Love you.
Hello po sa kayang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ang anak ng kapatid na Sister Catalina Lascuenta and nandito po kami sa Pilipinas po. And kasalukuyan po cup namin sa amin. And binabati ko lang po ang aking mama na gusto pong Happy Mother's Day. I love you po. Maraming salamat po sa ma'am. Kahit malayo ka sa amin. Pero dama po namin po gaano mo po kami kamahal ni Papa dito. Paano pagsasakripisyo mo, tinitiis mo na malayo ka sa amin. Alam ko po na mahal. Kaya, Happy Mother's Day po, Ma. I love you po. Ingat ka po lagi dyan. And pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoon. Thank you so much po.
Hi, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. We love you and we miss you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
We'll always support you.
We'll always support you.
We will always make you happy.
will always be kind to you. We love you. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Thank you for all the sacrifice you make for us. Even though you're far away, your love, support, and guidance are always with me. I know it isn't easy to be away from us, and I'm grateful for everything you do to give us a better future. Thank you for your endless love, strength, and hard work. I promise to do my best at school and make all your sacrifice worth it, so I can repay all your hard work. I love you so much, Mama. I miss you and Happy Mother's Day.
Hi, Mama. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Thank you for all the love, the prayer, and the sacrifices you made for me. And I miss you so much, Mama. I love you. And see you soon, Mama.
Coucou maman, joyeux anniversaire. Merci pour tout ce que tu fais pour nous. T'es vraiment la meilleure maman du monde. Que Dieu te bénisse, te protège et te garde tous les jours en bonne santé.
Merci pour tout ton amour. On t'aime fort. Bye bye.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Thank you for all your hard work. We appreciate it. And salamat ang support mo sa amin. Salamat. And I'm so thankful na naging ikaw yung aking mom. Dahil you're the best mom ever. And sana okay ka lang dyan, Ma. Kung nalulungkot ka, mahal ka namin, Ma. And sisiguraduhin ko na ibabalik ko yung hard work mo na panatiliin maganda yung grades ko. Yun lang. Bye, Mom.
So, hi Mama! Happy Mother's Day po. So, thank you for all your sacrifices in your family. Thank you, Mama, kasi sobrang sipag mo. Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices mo sa aming magkakapatid, na hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi kami makakapag-aral, hindi kami makakain ng masasarap, at hindi kami makakapunta sa mga gusto namin puntahan. So gusto ko lang sabihin, Mama, na sana mababait yung mga nakakasama mo dyan. Sana nakakakain ka or nakakain mo lahat ng masasarap na pagkain na deserve mo na hindi mo nakakain dito. And sana din nabili mo yung mga gamit or mga gusto mo na hindi mo nabibili dito sa Pilipinas. So, gusto ko lang din sabihin ng Mama na magto-third year na ako. So, thank you kasi malapit na ako graduate. So, nakakalungkot lang din minsan na parang dahil sa'yo kaya gusto ko magtapos. But okay lang. So, malapit na akong graduate and para sa iyo yun, Mama. So, mahal na mahal ka namin, Mama. And miss na miss ka na namin. Bye, Ma. Love you.
Hi, Happy Mother's Day. Love you. Ingat ka dyan. Thank you for yung binigay mo sa akin.
Yung isa hindi
Nabibili namin gusto namin dahil sa'yo, Ma. Thank you, Ma. Love you. Mag-enjoy sa dyan. Love you. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Mahal ka namin ni Ken. And God bless.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Thank you for your endless love, patience, and strength that you've shown us through every stage of our lives. We are truly grateful for everything you've sacrificed and for all the quiet ways you've cared for us. I hope today reminds you how deeply you're loved and appreciated, not just today, but every day. Love you so much, Mama. Happy Mother's Day to our Mother Queen, Mama Ruki. Thank you for your unconditional love, endless sacrifices, and unwavering support. We are truly blessed to have you as our mother. May God continue to bless you with good health, happiness, and many more years to come. We love you so much.